Hello, welcome back to the Stone House. I was gone all week, all last week. I had to go to Boston for work, for training. Some of you probably know that because you saw me on TikTok. I did a couple TikToks. But now we're back to it. Today's Sunday, technically, and officially. Saturday, I was home and I did work on the house a little bit. Sarah and I took the front door out and then we put it back in. We made a new threshold here. I wish I kind of had like video of what it used to look like, but I didn't really want to record because I felt like it was going to be one of those jobs that you don't get very much done and you work 8 hours, and I was correct. We had to like cut the old threshold out, and then what I did, I think you can see it better from this side. I put this is a really old piece of cherry that's the densest, heaviest wood. And it probably should be pressure treated, honestly, because it's outside the house. But don't forget that this porch will someday be replaced. But even though it's this bad, it still doesn't get wet over here, really. So yeah, I mean, it gets wet because you walk over it, but it doesn't get like direct water. So it doesn't really need to be pressure treated, in my opinion. So this is what I did. And the last piece that was there was an old piece of wood, and that lasted probably 100 years. We had to, as you can see, maybe the door looks funny. We had to add on to the door. That's how different this looks. I mean, the old threshold was really weird. This door itself, it's old, but we like old stuff. I don't want to replace the door unless I absolutely have to. And in this case, I don't have to. But we added on the bottom to make it like square. And then we put the threshold down in here. I had to demolish this piece of trim here because the door itself was very crooked in the hole. I don't know how to say that. But the door now closes. It looks really good down here. And it swings nice. It shuts better than it ever has. This threshold here we made, that's ash. I don't love the way it turned out, and it's just because of the floor here is all uneven, so it doesn't sit perfect on the floor there, but that's okay. We have a plan for that. And then I think today I'm gonna spend some time, we're gonna put butternut on the inside of the door, and then it's also gonna be butternut trim. The same will be for these windows. I think we're going to do butternut trim everywhere for that one and that one. This door, we'll see. If we have enough butternut, I'll probably use butternut there also. So that's kind of what we did yesterday. And then today it's just going to be a little bit of finagling. Ow. Ouch. All right. I got to eat something. Excuse me. Mr. Whiskers.
Nope. Miss.
He likes to go outside. When he hears the door, he comes waddling. So I've never really claimed to be like Steven Spielberg or something like that. I lost the footage of doing the doors. You can kind of see the butternut on the left there in this video of the door jamb. And I think we did the windows also. So I don't have any footage of that, but I do have some cool footage, some stuff that maybe you guys have never seen before. It's what we do when we're not working. This is Jace in the garden with his radishes, and Ellie with her first tomato in these nice garden beds. And then it was July 4th, so we got some smoke bombs.
It looks kind of cool.
Kids loved that. Much more smoke than I thought there would be.
Wow. It looks like
And what kind of 4th of July would it be if you didn't have things that burned or explosions? We just got sparklers. kids absolutely love sparklers, as you can imagine. And then the day after the 4th, I went fishing with my dad, and I caught some award-winning smallmouth bass. They live around a pond, so we're kind of lucky. Whenever we're bored, we get to go and actually have some real fun at the pond. I used to go there when I was a kid, so I love that I can bring the kids up there and they can experience the same things that I've experienced. Sarah and I always say, like, what are we going to do when the house is done? And I'm thinking that we'll do more of this if we can, because it's fun. The kids really enjoy it. And as I was catching fish, my kids were pretending to be fish. That's my mom. She is full of energy for the grandkids, and she swam with them the whole time that I was fishing with my dad and Sarah. I'm not telling anybody here something they don't know. I obviously had a lot of fun the last couple weeks not working on the house. In fact, I kind of love not working on the house. It's a daunting thing, and it has been for almost 9-10 years. I've enjoyed it. I'm glad that I'm doing it, but I'm looking forward to being able to make some different types of memories with my kids, because I just love hanging out with them. I love hanging out with my family, and I am hoping that when this is over, that's what I get to do. I guess I thought you'd live forever. I always thought we'd be together. A lifetime of moments boiled down to a phrase. In an off chance I notice you show your age. Just a bird in a cage, too weak to sing again. There's a weight on my shoulders, I bet till it's over. You're in everything I do. You did all I ever asked of you. It's kisses in the morning, but then you starve by noon. Taken away too soon. Like a sunny day as the clouds are moving through. You are the only one. You're in everything I do. You are the only one. Running home to be with you. You will always be the only one. There's a weight on my shoulders I carry till it's over. I guess I thought you'd live forever. I'm gonna miss our days together. Sunny days in the backyard in the afternoon. If you couldn't tell from the video, and maybe I won't show it all, but I had to take that off and on the hinges 85 times just to get everything cut pretty good. But I mean, I'm pretty happy with that considering what I had to do to get that door to fit. We wanted 2 little doors for obvious reasons, like a big door here would be weird for this main door. So now if this door gets left open, it's not as weird if you go in and out. But we just got to get a shutter so then they shut tight to each other and click. I don't know. I don't have anything for that right now, but for now that's pretty good. We're downstairs making the molding for these windows, and I wasn't going to show the process because I've shown making a lot of molding, but if I don't show you, And probably everybody will think I went to Lowe's or something.
Climbing for love, checking, barely breathing, take off, try again, breezes, call on, I wish I could fly up high away from here. And if you see me stretching out my wings, you should see how small the world is from here. I'll tell them it could be so easy, but I know it's never easy to be flightless, caged in, clipped wings, tired. I wish I could fly up high away from here. And if you see me stretching out my wings, you should see how small the world is from here. I'll tell them it could be so easy, but I know it's never easy to be. I've never felt so uninspired, so unlike you, undesired. So I'll stay flightless, caged in, clipped wings.
All right, I'm gonna say the easy part's over. A lot of this is nice. Not a lot of knots and stuff. What we milled that to 4 1/8. So it's 4 1/8. That's basically the widest we could make them, cutting them in half, having very little waste. This one over here is too small. That's more like 4. So we can't use that. But I think we were making 1 extra. Probably should make 3 extra because, you know, when you get down to it, you're going to need it. But we like to YOLO it. And this is sort of where we are right now. We're making, well, we made the molding. I didn't make any more video of it because it's kind of the same thing. I think you all get the point. We are sanding the molding by hand right now. Sarah's doing all of that while I'm at work. This weekend, we're going to be installing it. And I think we might be painting the walls. So I will probably have the camera going for that. And we'll show you all that soon. As always, thanks for watching. If you're still here, please hit the like button. Hit all the buttons. Leave a comment. Say hi. But we'll see you all next time I turn the camera on.